Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to link your Instagram account to your Twitch profile. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Twitch, in short, it's a community where streaming, gaming, and pop culture meets in social media. Millions of people around the world use this streaming service to share their gaming skills, cooking skills, and lifestyle, and anything else they are interested in. You can also become part of the action with your channel or engage with your favorite competitors using the chat attached to every live stream. In my previous video, I've shown you how to create Twitch account, how to customize your Twitch, and another tutorial. And in this video, I will show you how to link your Instagram account to your Twitch profile. So whenever anyone visit your profile on Twitch, they can follow you on Instagram. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first, of course, how to open our Twitch. Now you can go to your profile by tap on the bottom right here. Tap on account settings. From here, you can go to account, tap on account, tap on edit profile, and in here, you can just scroll down. There is an option social link. Manage a social link. You can add up to 5 social links that will display on your channel profile. And viewers will also be able to search for you by these handles. You can just tap on that. You can add social link. You can enter like this, for example, Instagram, and you can enter the link. So we can open our Instagram. You can go to your profile, tap on share profile. You can just choose on copy link. Link copied. You can enter the link in here. Now you can just tap on save on the up right corner here. So now you have add your Instagram link to your profile on Twitch. So simple, right? So anyone who visits your profile, they can see your uh, link Instagram and can follow you on there. So simple, right? So that is how to add Instagram link account to your Twitch profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.